Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be installing the Galaxy S25 anti-reflective film here on my brand new S25, and we're going to be comparing it between my Galaxy S25 Ultra, which has the same screen protector, but it also has the anti-reflective screen built in, so we're going to see what the difference is. Excuse me. So this is the same process if you watched my other video on how to install it. They go on the exact same way. And this is a 2-pack in case you mess up. So I haven't taken the protective cover off this phone yet. I like to put these on right away. So we're just going to flip that up. There we go. And we're just going to take the squeegee out. I don't need to wipe the screen off or anything because it's still covered. So I didn't have any issues doing that last time. So we're just going to go ahead and peel this off without touching the screen. And you can see the reflection in there. Kind of how this is more about, it's just like, this just looks darker in my opinion, but how reflective that is. I can see the fan on my ceiling reflecting in it. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up here. Peel off number 1. Put it down. Pretty well lined up there. We're going to lift up number 2. There we go. And then I just take these out now so they're not in the way when you go with the squeegee. Lift that one up. Make sure it peels off the back in there. Somebody said in my last video of the S25 Ultra that these are super hard to install and they kept getting bubbles and all this kind of stuff. I don't know what y'all are doing, but that is 2 of them that I've had go on perfect. And there you go. You can see now the screen is almost like really, really black. And I can barely see the reflection in it. It definitely adds the anti-reflective properties, just like the Galaxy S25 Ultra has. This phone has it without the screen protector, but if you add the screen protector to this phone, there's really no difference in the two. Let me turn off my always on display here and see. So we can see them two side by side, both black. But there you go. Definitely both pretty much the same, even with the fact that this does not have that anti-reflective display without the screen protector. So that is the S25 Ultra anti-reflective screen protector for the Galaxy S25. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.